It's Warren Navarro, EV Initiative, CES 2025. I'm here with my friend,
Bobby Babzani with StarCharge.
StarCharge Americas. And StarCharge, we have a long relationship. We've been working with you guys for many years right now. I saw your product, you're on our network.
That's right.
Oh, so we came to CES, we're looking for the latest, greatest, newest, coolest
That's right.
EV charging hardware. Mostly specifically for our land in Los Angeles, we're developing an EV charging hub.
That's right.
It's going to be open to the public 24/7.
Yes.
So it's going to be publicly used EV charging infrastructure all day, all night.
Okay.
So want to learn more about this cool dispenser. Can you tell me more about what we're looking at? What is it?
Absolutely. Well, first off, welcome to CES.
Thank you.
And welcome to the booth that's going to showcase to you guys one of the latest and greatest technologies out there. As we kind of walk you guys through the booth, you're actually going to be able to see some of the latest technologies and the greatest things that are actually being currently offered in the EV charging space. One of them, as you guys can see, is our Triton chargers over here. It's our Triton platform. And so one of the ways that this product is going to be showcased is maybe for a lot of fleet operators out there who perhaps want to actually have something a little bit more consolidated, something that's actually not going to take as much footprint, right? As you guys can see, these chargers could actually be ceiling mounted over here, right? And so if you have...
Sorry, question. Can I mount this in, you say ceiling, what about like in a
garage
solar canopy?
You can put on a canopy on there, right? As long as the structure can actually handle the weight of these systems and all like that.
How heavy is it?
Yeah, I don't have that right on there. It's in our spec sheets. But again, really the purpose of this is for operations that actually don't have enough space to have the cabinets, the dispensers set up in front of a parking space over there. And as you can see, one of the options that we're providing over here is to be able to go ahead and no matter what type of EV that you are charging, whether your port is in the front or your charging port is on the side or back of the vehicle, this setup over here with the cable management is going to be able to provide you with the reach that is required. So keep an eye on the system over here. We're excited to be able to launch it in North America. This is our Triton charging system. And really what I'm excited to do is to talk to you guys about our new Aries charging system over here that actually...
And I'm excited to see it, so let's take a walk on over.
Let's go over
This
here.
is the newest, coolest, latest, greatest.
This is the latest and the greatest. And if you own an EV, there's a lot of information and there's a lot of hype around, well, hey, how fast is this going to be able to actually charge my EV? This is our latest EV charger that's going to be able to go ahead and give you a 600 kilowatt charge output on here. This is a very impressive rate right now. A lot of consumers that I've talked to that have actually used any type of superchargers in the past, they said, hey, some of the competitors have 250 kilowatts. Some of the competitors have a 350 kilowatt system. What are you guys offering? We have a 600 kilowatt operation.
600 kilowatts?
600 kilowatt
600
output.
kilowatts.
That's correct.
That's a lot of power.
That's a lot of power over there. And not only is it going to be able to service any vehicles that take the NACS port, right? But also any consumers that actually want to go ahead and be able to utilize this with their CCS powered vehicle.
You know, all these cars are going with the North American charging standard, the Tesla plug.
That's right.
So if I go with two to start, how easy is it to upgrade the cables and replace it to NACS?
Based on the configuration, our customers could actually go and order this with two NACS ports.
Okay.
Right? We're really showcasing this right now as an option for consumers to be able to actually go out there and find a solution that fits for them. On top of that, I wanted to actually show you guys the cable management system.
Love it.
If you've ever driven an EV before, you know how difficult it is at times to actually be able to go ahead and make the plug reach your vehicle. So one of the things that we've kind of really focused on is to be able to actually go ahead and actually have the cable management system be expandable. So then that way, no matter again, if your port is in front of the car, on the side of the car, or on the back of the car, for it to actually be able to go ahead and be extended.
How far does that pull out?
So again,
because it's mounted, yeah, right.
It's mounted on there, and so I don't want to pull it too far because this is not concrete. It's a wooden platform.
Right.
Correct. But yeah, with that being said on there, this is one of the latest and the greatest 600 kilowatt output on the charger. One of the fastest that are actually going to be hitting the market very soon here.
Really cool. And a question about this. What are you guys using for the credit card reader?
We are working with a couple of different manufacturers at this point, and so this unit currently is in production. We're going to be making that announcement once we have an official launch date on the product.
Okay, on the credit card reader, so is it Pater, Pax, NIAX?
That's still being finalized.
Still being finalized, got you.
Correct.
So does that make a difference? So every time you integrate a new system, it's integrating the credit card terminal to that specific
That's correct.
hardware.
That's correct.
Got you. So it still in the works.
That's correct.
Still in the works.
All right, guys. So this is one of our latest and greatest products. This is our Titan series over here. One of the greatest products about this is the fact of it being that this is a BABA compliant product.
Oh, what does BABA mean?
Build American, buy American.
Ah, there you go.
And so this is a NEVI compliant product as well, the National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure.
Thank you so much.
And so with that being said, and you guys might actually notice that this design is maybe a little bit wider than some of the other devices that I've shown you guys. For the reason being is that this one's actually got the power modules and the power banks built into it.
Standalone unit.
It's a standalone unit. It's an all-in-one unit.
Nice.
So when you buy this product, there is no need to buy any additional power cabinets to be able to supply this.
So it's great for a property with limited space, potentially.
Exactly. And so as you can see here, a lot of our customers today have been asking, hey, why do you guys have a 120, 150, 180? Because it depends on how many power modules you want to be able to go ahead and stack in here on there. So you can go all the way from 180 all the way up to 320.
So we've been looking at 320 kilowatt.
That's correct.
Yeah.
That's correct. And this product is actually going to be manufactured out of our Columbus, Ohio facility.
Oh, really cool.
So it is built in America.
Great.
So hopefully you're excited as I am about some of the new products that we've got going on over here. And, the future looks bright.
100%. 100% it does. You see the excitement in my face. Thank you so much.
Enabling
It's nice
the
so
next
much.
generation.
Thank you so much.